The most important thing is that you're growing things that you like, that your family likes, that your kids like. And so if your kids love strawberries, grow strawberries. If you love sweet potatoes, grow sweet potatoes. If you love tomatoes, grow tomatoes. Grow as many things as possible. The most successful garden is the garden that is the most biodiverse. So try a lot of different things. If you don't have a lot of sunlight, focus more on greens and herbs. So basil, oregano, arugula, tatsoi, bok choy, all the Asian greens, kale, pollard, chard. These are great things to grow in shadier microclimates. If you don't have any sun, try growing mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms grown on oak logs, for example, are really easy to grow in full shade. If you have full sun, you can pretty much grow anything, fruit trees, berries, tomatoes, peppers, eggplant. But make sure that you're growing things with mindfulness to your microclimate. If it's part sun, less than 6 hours, grow things that are more leafy greens and less fruiting crops. But if you have over 8 hours of direct light, you can pretty much grow whatever you want.